Well, hello there, YouTubers. On today's video, we're gonna do a review on Discount Tire. So I bought some tires from Discount Tire, and I supposedly get free lifetime rotation. So we're gonna see if they actually do the rotations. We're gonna label the tires like this: 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, and 4 dots. So the front left is gonna be 1 dot right there. The front right is going to be 2 dots right there. The back right is 3 dots right there. And the back left is 4 dots right there. So let's go to Discount Tire and let's see if they actually do the rotations or if they're scamming me. So this is going to be like an undercover review. Let's go. And here we are. Okay folks, so we are finished. It took about an hour or so. It was busy, and I already looked at the tires and they did do the rotation, so that's a good thing. As you can see, this tire was originally 1 and now it's 4. And this one was originally 4 and now it's 1. And this one was originally 3 and now it's 2. And this one was originally 2 and now it's 3. So they absolutely did do the rotation. And I also ordered some wipers, new wipers. I paid about 20 bucks for them, and they did install them because I can tell they're brand new and they have that yellow thing. So these are new wipers. So definitely they did do what I paid for, so I am happy about that. And this company does pass the test. And like I said, I have nothing to do with Discount Tire. Absolutely, I don't work for them. I don't own them. I don't know if they have stock. I don't own any stock for Discount Tire. This is just an honest review, and definitely this company is an honest company, at least in this case. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.